Tired of projects feeling like a three-ring circus? Let's ditch the chaos and wrangle your teams into shape using Basecamp. In this video, we will explore how to structure Basecamp to perfectly reflect your organization, making teamwork smoother and more efficient. First, think about your company's core departments. These are the foundation. Common examples include marketing, sales, development, and customer support. To create a team, click the New Team Project button. Name it after your department, for example, Marketing Team. Within each team, set up key areas. Campfire is perfect for quick chats and updates. To-do lists keep tasks organized and assign. Use message board for important announcements and discussions. Now, what about cross-functional projects? Create a dedicated project space and invite members from relevant teams, like marketing and sales. This keeps everyone on the same page, regardless of their primary department. Finally, encourage active participation and clear communication. Use mentions to directly notify team members of important updates. By structuring Basecamp with clearly defined teams and projects, you'll foster better collaboration, reduce confusion, and make project execution a breeze.